Good morning, everyone. We're gonna do something a little different today. We gotta rip a bunch of lily out of the bottom of this pond. So it's Noah and I again. We'll see how it goes. This has just got way too many lilies. The pond's overwhelmed with it, so it's gonna be tough, but we're gonna get it done. It's gonna warm up at one point. Doesn't look like it's frozen today. And we're gonna clean this once we're done. This long stream here. You can see all that lily. There's a lot of it. We'll see how it goes. Gotta catch them fish first. We're pumping it down. You can see all that lily. We're gonna rip out about 2/3 of it. There's a lot of fish, a lot of little fish. We want to get them all down into this deeper area. Hopefully it's easier to catch them that way.
You want to walk them into that hole?
Yeah, I'm gonna, but I don't want to muck it up. I'm gonna go in here real quick, and I'll stand in the middle of them, and then I'll have you guys kind of walk them this way. Let's see if we can salvage that guy. Might be able to. Rescue mission. We ripped a lot of that lily out. It's looking good. Lily's all cleaned out. We're gonna start power washing. What a difference. We left some in the corner here, but what a difference. We filled it up and drained it. We're gonna drain it again, then we're gonna start filling to put the fish back in. It's looking better, slowly but surely. It's pretty dirty. Oh yeah, it's looking a lot better.